Hi, this is the Backlog workshop video for the agent team, composed by Alejandro Vidal, Dario Gonzalez, Dane Parchman Jr., and Jesus Cabrera. Let's pass to our Mingo account. Over here you can see our user stories in our backlog for the entire project. If at some point we figure out that there is need for more user stories, we will increase it. But for now we will be working with this. Our first user story. In all our user stories, we allot a high amount of time because we are taking a lot of tasks for it. Not only the code related ones that define the custom picture, browse and save, and so on, but we also have created all the different diagrams that we're gonna need, the integration test and the unit test. If we don't put this and allocate time for this to be done, in the long run it's gonna be impossible to get it done. We cannot focus only on code. We have to separate our time and use it properly in all the different tasks related to the user story. That's why we put it over there. That's why we allocate a huge amount of time for each of our user stories. So the first one is about update the profile picture. If you go to a Breeze Homeware site and go to the profile, you're gonna see that over there, that is a hard-coded picture of a blonde guy. So what we think over this is that we're gonna put dummy picture if there is no picture in the database, and if there is one, of course we're gonna upload it over there. This user story is to access the profile from the home page. Right now you have no access from the home page to the profile. You have to first go to the search and then go to the profile. We are trying to tackle that. As you can see, all of our user stories or our tasks related to the user stories are over here. We can continue that way, and we have one more to add the type of agent to the user profile, to add advanced and feature links for buyer's type of user. This means we're gonna put you a link if you are a realtor to a special place where you're gonna be advanced information. We're gonna do the same for sellers and so on. As of now, the only one we're gonna implement is gonna be the realtors, the agents. Any of the other special type of users, we're gonna only leave placeholders for future teams to improve upon that. We're gonna have one to be able to edit the user profile. We're gonna have one for agent list view, one for agent message center, one for agent listing claiming. We're gonna have for user favorites, for agent account verification, and for agent reviews. All of the ones with the red J are the user stories that is gonna be working Jesus Carrera. The ones with the A is gonna be Alejandro Vidal working on them. The one with the D is gonna be Dario Gonzalez. The light blue D, sorry, we have two Ds on the team, and this one in orange D are gonna be worked by Dane Parchman Jr. And this is our plan for this project, and I think we're gonna have a good time working and coding on this. Bye bye.